We all have cornstarch in our pantries. It's a staple ingredient for thickening sauces and gravies. But did you know this unassuming white powder has a secret identity? Cornstarch is a multitasking marvel with unbelievable uses beyond the kitchen. Get ready to be amazed as we delve into the fascinating world of cornstarch and uncover its hidden talents. From stain removal to homemade slime, cornstarch is a versatile and affordable solution for everyday problems. We'll explore the science behind its magic and discover how this humble ingredient can make your life easier, cleaner, and a whole lot more fun. So buckle up and get ready for an adventure in cornstarch creativity. Cornstarch is derived from the endosperm of corn kernels. It's essentially pure starch, a carbohydrate made up of long chains of glucose molecules. The magic lies in the unique structure of these starch granules. When cornstarch is mixed with a cold liquid, these granules swell slightly, forming a milky suspension. But here's where it gets interesting. When heated, the granules undergo a process called gelatinization. They absorb the liquid, swell significantly, and burst, creating a thick, gel-like texture. This property is what makes cornstarch a thickening powerhouse in the culinary world. But as we'll see, it also lends itself to a surprising array of other applications. Beyond its culinary prowess, cornstarch is a secret weapon for tackling common household conundrums. From banishing greasy stains to freshening up carpets, this pantry staple is a versatile and eco-friendly alternative to harsh chemicals. Imagine this. You spill oil on your favorite shirt. Don't panic. Cornstarch can come to your rescue. Sprinkle some cornstarch onto the stain, let it sit for a few hours and then brush it off. The cornstarch absorbs the oil, leaving your garment stain-free. And that's just the beginning. Cornstarch isn't just for grease stains, it's effective against a surprising variety of blemishes. From ink blotches to bloodstains, cornstarch can help salvage your clothes and other fabrics. The key is to act quickly. Blot up any excess liquid, then create a paste of cornstarch and water. Apply it liberally to the stain and allow it to dry completely. Once dry, brush off the cornstarch and voila! The stain should be significantly lighter or even gone entirely. Cornstarch's absorbent nature makes it a powerful ally in the fight against stains. Section 5. Cleaning up your act, cornstarch for a sparkling home. Cornstarch isn't just a stain-fighting hero, it's also a cleaning champion. This versatile powder can tackle a variety of household cleaning tasks with ease. This natural ingredient can be used to clean windows, polish silver, and even deodorize carpets. Its gentle yet effective properties make it a must-have in your cleaning arsenal. For sparkling windows, mix a solution of cornstarch and water. This simple mixture can cut through grime and leave your windows crystal clear. Spray it onto the glass and wipe with a clean cloth for a streak-free shine. You'll be amazed at how clean and bright your windows will look. To restore the luster of your silverware, make a paste of cornstarch and water and rub it onto the tarnished areas. This paste works wonders in bringing back the shine. Rinse thoroughly and dry for gleaming results. Your silverware will look as good as new, ready to impress your guests. And if your carpets need a refresh, sprinkle cornstarch over them, let it sit for 30 minutes, and then vacuum it up. This method is perfect for eliminating unwanted odors. The cornstarch will absorb odors, leaving your carpets smelling fresh and clean. It's a simple and effective way to maintain a pleasant home environment. Section 6. Get crafty, unleashing your inner artist with cornstarch. Cornstarch isn't just practical, it's also a surprisingly versatile crafting material. From homemade Play-Doh to DIY slime, cornstarch can provide hours of entertainment for kids and adults alike. Making cornstarch slime is a classic and engaging activity. Simply combine cornstarch and water in the right proportions, add food coloring for vibrant hues, and watch the magic happen. The mixture transforms into a gooey, stretchy substance that's both fascinating and fun to play with. Cornstarch can also be used to create modeling clay, finger paints, and even homemade glue. Let your imagination run wild and explore the creative possibilities of this versatile ingredient. Section 7. Beauty on a budget cornstarch. Beauty hacks you'll love. Believe it or not, cornstarch can even be incorporated into your beauty routine. This versatile ingredient, often found in your kitchen, can be a game changer for your beauty regimen. This pantry staple has surprising applications for hair and skin, offering affordable and natural alternatives to commercial products. It's not just for cooking anymore. Cornstarch can help you achieve a fresh, polished look without breaking the bank. Cornstarch can be used as a dry shampoo to absorb excess oil and add volume to your hair. If you're in a rush and don't have time for a full wash, cornstarch can be your quick fix. Simply sprinkle a small amount onto your roots, massage it in, and brush it out for refreshed and revitalized locks. You'll be amazed at how it lifts your hair and gives it a clean, fresh feel. For a soothing face mask, mix cornstarch with honey and yogurt. This combination not only nourishes your skin but also helps to calm and soothe any irritation. Apply it to your face, let it dry, and then rinse it off for soft and glowing skin. The mask will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated and smooth, perfect for a pampering session at home. Cornstarch's absorbent and gentle nature makes it a valuable addition to any beauty enthusiast's arsenal. Whether you're looking to refresh your hair or pamper your skin, cornstarch offers a simple, natural solution that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Section 8. Fun and Games. Cornstarch provides hours of entertainment. Remember the cornstarch slime we talked about earlier? That gooey, stretchy substance that's both fascinating and fun to play with? That's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to cornstarch-based fun. There are countless ways to use this simple ingredient to create hours of entertainment for people of all ages. This versatile ingredient can be used for a variety of games and activities that are perfect for parties, rainy days, or just a good laugh. Imagine turning a dull afternoon into a fun-filled adventure with just a box of cornstarch. One classic game is the cornstarch and water race. It's a simple yet exciting activity that can get everyone involved and laughing. Fill bowls with a mixture of cornstarch and water, each a different color. The vibrant colors add an extra layer of fun and excitement to the game. Provide spoons or other utensils for scooping and transferring the mixture. You can use anything from ladles to small cups, making it a versatile game for any setting. The goal is to be the first to fill a separate container with your designated color. The catch? The mixture's unique properties make it a bit tricky. The cornstarch and water mixture creates a non-Newtonian fluid, meaning it behaves like a solid when force is applied, but flows like a liquid when left alone. This adds an element of surprise and challenge to the game. This makes for a messy, hilarious, and unforgettable game. Whether you're young or old, the joy of playing with cornstarch is universal. It's a fantastic way to bring people together and create lasting memories. Section 9. Cornstarch in the world, unexpected places, amazing uses. While we've focused on the household uses of cornstarch, its versatility extends far beyond the home. This humble ingredient plays a vital role in various industries, from food production to pharmaceuticals. Cornstarch is a common ingredient in processed foods, acting as a thickener, stabilizer, and texturizer. It's also used in the production of paper, textiles, and even explosives. In the medical field, cornstarch is used as a binder in pills and as a dusting powder to prevent chafing. Its absorbent properties make it valuable in baby powders and other personal care products. Section 10. The final word. Cornstarch, a pantry essential. Cornstarch is more than just a thickening agent for your gravy. It's a versatile, affordable, and eco-friendly solution for a wide range of household, beauty, and entertainment needs. From stain removal to slime making, cornstarch's unique properties make it a true marvel of the pantry. So next time you reach for that box of cornstarch, remember its hidden talents. Embrace its versatility, experiment with its possibilities, and unlock the unbelievable uses of this humble yet extraordinary ingredient.